Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it.
Hey y'all, happy Memorial Day weekend. We're actually, okay, it will help if I let my garage door down. All right, so we're actually just gonna go run some errands really quickly. We got things to do at the house, well, not much, because I done did everything. I done did pretty much everything at that house, y'all, that I need to do, to be honest with you. So we're just gonna, we just need to get a few other things, and then we're gonna get back to the house and try to enjoy the rest of this day. Oh, and that's right, we have the movie to go to. I forgot about that. Oh shoot, yeah, we need to hurry up then, because with the movie's at 7:20, it's 3 o'clock now. We ain't gonna take long, we just got a few things to do. And I'm going just like this, I'm not putting any makeup on, and I'm gonna bring a blanket, and we're gonna chill and enjoy the movie. Huh? No.
Is it a 3D?
I hope not. I don't know. He said he couldn't get us in that big theater or whatever stuff. I hope it's not 3D. Alright, y'all. We heading into the HB. The HB.
Now I can see clearly.
Kayla got on her
And my
glasses.
glasses, a little like a nerd. Very smart and studious.
Alright, y'all. Let's see what they got up in here. We're only here for a few items. That's what we always say.
Oh, I want to say it's really cool.
All right, y'all, we're semi almost set up for for tomorrow. I got the games out here. So we just got a few lawn games out. People to kind of entertain themselves. This is like Connect 6 or 4 or whatever. Yeah, Connect 6, I guess you could call it. And I like put the chips in there so they could just throw them in there. And then we have some tables here that, you know, like if people have some extra seating, we'll put some chairs out here later. And then here's my little bar set up right here. And that's the little snow cone machine that I have there. And then Earl wanted this up here, which y'all know how I am about aesthetically pleasing stuff. To me, this isn't aesthetically pleasing because it had a nice black cover on the front of it. So I actually liked it like that, but can't have everything I want. So got that. And then I'm gonna put some drinks and stuff in this thing. I showed y'all that. And then Kayla and I hung up these lights under here so we can have a little bit of lighting. So like later on at night, then, you know, we can move some of this stuff to the side and be able to maybe even put some tables and chairs under here or whatever. But this is it. This is it. We're getting ready to go see The Little Mermaid. Alright, y'all. This is what it's looking like outside after we hung the lights. Kayla and I hung the lights. And so Earl is now, he's got, I think both of the briskets are in there now. But look how nicely lit this is under here. Like, you can actually see everything. So, it's nicely lit. We have the porch lights on. It's like really late, y'all. It's like 2:30 in the morning. I'm gonna go to bed. And it's nicely lit out here, so just thinking ahead, you know, like tomorrow people will still be able to, you know, if they wanted to play games, but ain't nobody gonna be out here no 2:30 in the morning. Well, if they are, it will be winding down, I would think. So yeah, everything's all set up and ready to go.
Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right, you know I'ma party with her. with her. She be calling on a Monday, wanna meet on Tuesday, asking me to fix me up a lunch. She can wait until the weekend, she wants off the deep end, telling me to bring the stuff I like. I don't wanna let her down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm kinda down from the pain in my chest, but I'm putting that aside now. I'ma feel her right now, happy from the stuff I know she likes. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. With my baby, what's up? Ay, always down every week, yeah. Know I love her too much, but I just can't get enough. She's slipping through the cracks, call my bluff. She know what's up, can't get enough, yeah. Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her. Oh yeah, even when it don't feel right. Hey, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. We been chillin' all through Wednesday, slept until it's Thursday. She don't wanna leave me, not just yet. Told me all about last Friday when she went all crazy. Didn't go to bed till Saturday. I don't wanna go without, so I asked her to stay. Though she broke my heart in a million ways, but I'm putting that aside now. I'ma feel alright now, happy just as long as she's with me. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. With my baby, what's up? Always down every week, yeah. No, I love her too much, but I just can't get enough. She's slipping through the cracks, call my bluff. She know what's up, yeah. Can't get enough, yeah. Even when it don't feel right. Hey, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right, yeah. You know I'ma party with her, with her, with her, yeah. Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her. Oh yeah. Even when it don't feel right, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. Even when it don't feel right, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her, yeah, yeah.
Mom, thank you.
I didn't do that. That was your Aunt Angie, child.
Yeah, because you don't know how to do your job.
Yeah,
it's
that's
really easy. Yes, girl.
So why don't you?
Huh? Because I'm up here playing games with children. Children. I'm a child.
Hey, Jordan. God bless Jordan.
Bro, why don't you peel it?
In the name of Jesus.
I tell you what. When y'all done with all that, close these blinds for your auntie and your mama. I love you.
Say hello, my name. Say it real loud.
I'm sick. I'm still on the way. Wait.
What do your exes
Oh,
no, people say hello, my berries.
well, hello, my berries. Well, hello, my berries.
Hey!
Hello, my berries.
I'm gonna you do me.
All right, y'all. Hello. It is Sunday, and we had a blast last night. Everyone had a fun time. Now we're trying to get the house back together because it is in disarray. I mean, not as bad as it was last night. Like everybody always pitches in and helps and puts things together. But Earl and I are now outside trying to get the outdoors put back together. The games are down and stuff like that. So we don't have too much more to go, but you know, it's a process. Just like it's a process to set up. So Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I think we even got like leftover cupcakes over here. Yeah, we do. We have plenty of cupcakes left over right here. Not too many people took. I mean, they did, but not a lot. So we got that. And what else we got? I thought we had a cake. Somebody must have. Did somebody eat the cake or take the cake? Yeah, we had a whole cake. I don't know where the cake went because I knew it was sitting right here in the middle of this table. So don't know where the cake is, but hey, it is what it is. We got all kinds of stuff. My niece made strawberry brownies. Have anybody ever heard of strawberry brownies? Those were good. So pantry is filled with just stuff. Refrigerator is filled with stuff. Look at this. This is not the refrigerator I redid, but it's okay. This is normally what it looks like, you know, when we have leftovers and stuff like that. But at least we have it, you know, kind of contained. Kinda. Yeah, so lots going on. Lots going on. But we're trying to get it together. All right, let's keep it going.
Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. She be calling on a Monday, wanna meet on Tuesday, asking me to fix me up real nice. She can wait until the weekend, she wants off the deep end, telling me to bring the stuff I like. I don't wanna let her down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm kinda down from the pain in my chest, but I'm putting her to sign now. I'ma feel her right now, happy from the stuff I know she likes. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. With my baby, what's up? Ay, always down every week, yeah. Know I love it